Hey friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaushiki and today I am going to share some super easy tricks and tips on varnishing your artwork. Trust me, to varnish like a pro you need some good practice. But don't worry, to start practicing with something you actually have to begin doing so. I get lots of questions on how I varnish my artwork. So here's a super quick video on how to start with varnishing for beginners. The very first and the most important thing in varnishing is to choose a place or a room which is bright with good light source. It could be natural sunlight or maybe a bright indoor light as per the convenience. Now the things that you need are a flat surface and a mat on it where you would varnish the artwork if you don't want to spoil your workstation. Secondly, a good flat brush. Depending on the size of the canvas, we are going to choose the size of the flat brush. Like I have a 5 by 7 inches and a 5 by 5 inches square canvas. So I'm using a large flat brush with 2 inches broad tip with fine bristles. Third, a piece of tissue or a soft cloth. Fourth is a varnishing medium. Here I'm using Winsor & Newton gloss acrylic varnish. Now let's begin with the process, and I would be placing a mat on the table so that the excess liquid can drip off to the mat and I could clean it later once I'm done with coating the canvas. So the tip number 1 is you got to be quick with varnishing as it dries off pretty soon and we don't want an unfinished look on our favorite piece of art. So make sure all the things that you need are around you and you don't have to move around looking for things when you are varnishing. Tip number 2, be generous with your application and pour a good quantity onto the canvas before you start to brush it. Coming to tip number 3, and the most important is please don't shake the varnishing bottle, as bubbles would form in the bottle and if you pour it, it would spoil the clear look of the art. Tip number 4, clean the canvas with a dry tissue or a soft cloth to remove any possible dust particle before you begin. Tip number 5, the brush stroke has to be in one direction. Make sure you apply soft and fast strokes and check for the uniform spread of the coat. And last but not the least, tip number 6, it is always better to apply 2 coats of varnish. Like apply the first coat today and then wait for 24 hours and let it dry, then revarnish it after 24 hours. This would give a fabulous look to your artwork. And that's it. If you like the video, please click onto the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more creative artwork, tips, tricks, techniques of crafts and paintings. That's all for today, friends, and see you in my next vlog. Till then, stay happy and stay creative. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.